Demo of Webel, the web browsing event logger, which is a browser extension that logs the user's web navigation, currently supported in Chromium-based browsers. For now, the user will have to install manually, so go to webel.dev. From there, click on Install. Then click on Download Webel extension. This will download a zip. You're going to want to extract that. Once extracted, go back to your browser settings, click Extensions, Manage Extensions. You're going to want to turn on Developer Mode in the top right. Then click Load Unpacked and select the folder that was extracted. Now the extension is installed on the user's browser. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to inspect the service worker, specifically the local storage of the extension. This is where Webel stores the events before the user exports. Webel creates new traces whenever the user opens up a new tab. Events are added to this trace whenever the user navigates to a different website or URL in this tab. For instance, if they make a Google search to example.com. Child tabs are also added to this trace, meaning whenever a user opens up a link from the current tab in a new tab. As you can see here, there is currently only one trace and two tabs. Whenever the user navigates to a new tab page manually, it will start a new trace for that tab in any of its children tabs, as you can see here. As well as logging the URL, it also has a timestamp and a tab ID. Another attribute is transition, which means how the user navigated from the previous event. So whether they click a link, they typed it in the search bar, clicked on a bookmark, or reloaded the page. This is all logged. The user can turn off the logging temporarily by clicking on the pop-up extension and toggling it off. Users might forget to turn it back on, so whenever the user clears some of their history, they will receive a notification to enable it. Or whenever the user closes the browser and starts a new browser session, they will receive a notification as well as a badge pop-up to turn it back on. When the user exports the data, Webel creates a XCS file based on the events it stored in the local storage. This XCS file already works with other process mining software such as Disco. Currently, the URL will be set as the activity classifier. Ideally, you would want to pre-process this and add your own, such as URL categorization or activity labeling. But this is all for the demonstration of Webel. Thank you.